So hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm to show you about how you can make short videos with the help of ChatGPT, Leonardo AI and Helio AI. So firstly go on your preferred browser and search the websites like ChatGPT. I open them one by one like this. Second website is our Helio AI, and the third our is an image generator which is Leonardo AI. Simply open these websites. I am using web application. If you are not have any desktop, so you can do same method in mobile or an iOS device as your preferred. So we go on all, so you can see that our ChatGPT is here, and my Hello AI is here with my original account is login, as you can see. So go on video. So it's a security check, so we can drop this here. So firstly I'm given ChatGPT prompt to make a video. Firstly I'm gonna tell you about I'm making an horror short of an octopus. It is my idea. If you don't have any idea, you can simply ask to ChatGPT, but in my case I have an already idea, so I write an idea here. uh, so if you simply write prompt, give. So as you can see, I can simply write my idea in the prompt. Give me an image prompt for Leonardo in which a giant horror octopus on the beach caught by humans. So here's our idea. Click on enter simply. So it gives a prompt. So we are making short videos. If you are making 2 or 3 scenes, you can generate more. But in my case, I can generate only two. So two scenes. So first is here. I can simply copy the prompt and go on Leonardo. Simply got it. Go on image. So it's loading. I give another prompt to ChatGPT. Give. So as you can see, I have generated two prompts. So firstly, I copy the first prompt and go on here and paste my prompt here. As you can see, so I can simply delete the style and reshape it. So it's an error. So we go on custom, press TikTok 9 ratio 16 and click on generate. So as you can see, this is my mistake. So generate this type of video. So I don't use them. I simply use these images. As you can see, it's a horrible content. So we have this four image. So I can simply download this one because this is good, and simply go to ChatGPT and copy second prompt and copy paste it on Leonardo AI and simply readjust the ratio and everything and press enter. So go on ChatGPT again and type a prompt. So press on enter and simply given prompt, give me image to video prompt for Hello AI. First scene in which octopus caught by humans. So simply copy the prompt and so simply go on image upload and upload your downloaded image like this and paste your prompt here like this. 6 seconds. So simply click on generate. I can go on another image. I like this one image, so simply download it and ask for second image to video prompt. So simply copy the prompt and go on Helio. So Firstly, we can wait for the generation. So guys, as you can see, our all the videos have generated successfully. Simply click on download button and it will download the video. So simply, uh, I am on Filmora. If you don't have Filmora, so you can use any type of editing software. All the videos you and effects and transitions and everything you got it in another software. So for background music, go on YouTube and search for hashtag giant octopus. So as you can see, we have this type of videos here. So if I click on this video, simply if you search YouTube video downloader, it gives you this website ssyoutube.com. Simply so I'm using this video music because this is better. Simply go and share and copy the link. Simply copy the link and here, go on here and paste your link here like this and click on download. So we have downloaded video here. So you can see our giant octopus video has been downloaded. So close the tab and here on Filmora import all the clips. uh, I imported all the clips like this. Simply drag the video on the timeline and import the music. So we also import the music like this and size 0, aspect ratio to no soda. Okay. For more music, I'm going here and bringing some horror music like this. Yeah, like this. Simply slow the speed like this. As you can see, the music is so bad because we more the length of the video. So simply go here and search for the original music. The name is The Shadow of Death and go on YouTube video download. Simply this one is the edited version. Copy the link, copy the link and YouTube video download. Paste the link. So my video is downloaded. I will simply go on download section and import my music to software like this and delete this music and So for long video, I can simply slow down the video. So our video is ready. Simply cut out the extra part. Go to transition and choose fade transition like this. So our video is ready. So go on speed and choose optical flow for better quality, and go on multiple and choose size to 110 to remove the uh, this watermark, this corner watermark. So one our video is ready. If you wanna more quality, simply go on color and make sharp. So now you see the quality. Once so you can see the quality when we sharp the video. So if you wanna white it, do white, highlight, contrast. Contrast is good. Brightness, exposure, exposure like this. Simply go on export. Our video is ready. Simply go on export. Bitrate higher. Generate this and everything should be normal and click on export. तो गाइस उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग चीज़ें समझ गए होंगे, और इसी तरह से आप डिफरेंट टाइप के नीचे से वीडियो बना सकते हैं, वो भी सेम फॉर्मेट में, सेम एक्सपोर्ट सेटिंग पे। आप बेसिकली ऐसी मेथड को फॉलो करके वायरल भी जा सकते हैं। तो बने रहिए हमारे साथ, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।